Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about redoing a restoration on your main gear. This includes all the hardware, the brackets, the tire, the bearings, and everything. So let's take a look at taking it all apart and putting it all back together and making it look better than new. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So you start with your basic, here's what your main gear looks like sitting on the airplane. It's got dirt, it's got debris, it's got rust, hasn't been cleaned in a while, and all the hardware looks like it's being changed. So let's take a look at doing the tire first. And so we're going to want to take the rubber off, we're going to want to replace the tube, and we're going to want to replace all the bolts that go through the two halves of the wheel half. And when you do that, you're going to find out you have three 35As, some star washers, some lock nuts, and a brand new brake disc from Rapco. Now you're going to want to get new hardware, and by the way, for the new hardware for each main gear, not counting the nose, you're going to spend about $12 on hardware. You're also going to spend some money on solvent stuff to clean it, but that's just working on it. Then you're going to move on to the axle and the spindle, and this is where it bolts to the gear leg. And again, all your hardware for all this bolting, and these are the most expensive bolts, the one that go through the main gear leg, they're about $3 a piece, and you have 4 of them. And you're going to put everything back on with new hardware, and it's going to look fairly nice, including you replace the flex bolt. Now you're going to bead blast these all down. You're going to iodine all the aluminum and acid etch it. Then you're going to prime it. Then you're going to paint it. Now this is on the Project Tiger. They were just pretty dirty, and all we really had to do was take them off and clean them up a little bit to put them back on. So this wasn't a full restoration because this airplane has never sat outside its entire life, so it looks fairly nice. Now when you start looking at the main bracket, you're going to be looking at all the hardware there, and it's a lot of AN3 hardware and a couple of AN6 bolts that go through with all the locking hardware. Looks pretty bad when you take them off the airplane. Now they're in good shape, they're just dirty and they don't look pristine and restored. So what you're going to do is, again, you're going to put them in a bead blaster, take them all apart, bead blast them, and then put it back in with all new hardware. Now you have AN5s around the side, and you have 2 AN5As right there that hold that bracket in the center for centering on the main bearing bracket. And then after they're stripped and painted, you can, as we did on the Project Tiger, we didn't have to replace all the hardware. It was in good shape. We just painted it all in place. So you have several options when you go about doing a main gear restoration. And again, it's what your airplane sits on. It's covered with fairings, and most people never see them, which is why they kind of tend to look a little dirty or dusty as people go on. But here we have all the new hardware for the main bracket, including the anchor bolts and all, and the brake pads, all ready to go back on. And then as a final step, as part of our main gear restoration, we got the new braided gear legs. Now this replaces the aluminum lines for the brakes that we normally had in our airplanes, and here you are seeing them going on. And by the way, let me just point out a note here from another video. You see those little red marks and orange marks that are on there? That's cross-check torque seal. So if any of those bolts will ever move, we will see the brake in the torque seal. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.